Go outside.
No, when I told you
This is the last
that I
one.
was leaving the airport.
You're done. You're going to jail.
I was telling you I was leaving the airport. Recorded everything.
All right.
Now, why am I leaving the airport when I told you?
Let's go outside.
No, when I told you
This is the last
that I
one.
was leaving the airport.
You're done. You're going to jail.
Yep. I was telling you I was leaving the airport. But I told you I was leaving the airport. Why am I done? If I told you I was leaving the airport.
After ignoring multiple warnings, officers move in, detain her, and place her in handcuffs.
And you still put handcuffs on me for no reason.
Come on.
Terminal 2, the family room, the 1022. 320.
You're really taking me out of the airport for no reason. Now you literally, when I asked you for no reason.
Terminal 2, concourse D in the family room. Martha's advising small gray backpack, unknown backpack long.
You see how they treat me, right?
Let's go.
All right. I just want y'all to know. I just want y'all to know. Stop dragging me like that. Officer.
Come on. Let's go. Come on.
All right, but I'm sourcing. I'm telling you that. I'm just telling you for a moment. Stop dragging me like that.
Stand by 041, 1033. Get in 315. Go ahead. Copy 68 at the rental car center. Stop B for the shuttle. Rolando advising you to get for your luggage.
Yeah, 317. Show me if you want to.
Don't do that to me. Don't.
It's going to be for 600 from Mall Drive. And call your papa.
Sorry about that. Straight by. I'm going to get a female deputy to pat you down, okay?
I don't matter. I didn't ask you for that. I just asked you why I was,
Where's your ID?
it's on my chest.
All right, I'm going to get you.
I'm not refusing. I just asked you don't do that to me while I'm saucy. And you know I'm saucy. So why are you doing that?
Even while being detained, she continues to protest and question what's happening. Let's see how that works out for her.
I see where you're going. I'm not even about to. Can I answer my phone? Can I answer my phone, officer?
No.
Officer, I'm asking you, can I answer my phone? All right, so let me answer my phone for my kids. Officer, let me answer my phone for my children. I'm not making no harm to nobody. All that I want to know, I told you I was saucy already from when I went to the airport. And you cannot say I didn't tell you that. Did I not tell you I was saucy? Why you not answering me? Why you not responding to me? Did I not tell you I was saucy from the airport? Officer, excuse me, I told him I was saucy from the airport. He knows that I was saucy. I'm being, no, it don't. What?